Hi, welcome to In 5 Minutes. As we have seen the operation of a JFET, what you can say, the current between drain and source, which is the current flowing from drain to source. In N channel it is the drain current ID and it is controlled by the voltage between gate and source. So we can call that the voltage VGS controls the current ID. So when you are plotting VGS versus ID, VGS is on your input side and ID is your output current, hence it is called as transfer characteristics. And when you have output voltage, that is the voltage between drain and source and the output current ID, then this characteristic is called as output characteristics. As I have already told how to plot the characteristics in BJTs also. Now what you can say, this part is your output characteristics, this is your transfer characteristics, and what we have seen that gate to source voltage controls the drain current. Now the change in the drain current that will result from the change in VGS can be determined using transconductance, say GM. So GM is nothing but the transconductance. Now what is the meaning of trans and conductance? Trans, since the relationship is between input and output. And why it is called conductance? Because it is 1 upon resistance term, so it is called as conductance. Hence relation between input and output, hence trans, and since it is 1 upon the resistance, so conductance, hence it is called as transconductance. Now looking at this graph of transfer characteristics, from the transfer characteristics curve I can write change in drain current is some factor into change in VGS, or I can say GM is the ratio of change in drain current to the change in gate to source voltage. That is nothing but the slope at Q point I am finding. So if the slope is very small, I can write GM as ID upon VGS. This is we have seen. So ID upon VGS is nothing but current upon voltage, which is 1 upon resistance, which is I upon V, hence it is called as conductance. And trans Y, it is relation between output current and input voltage, so it is called as transconductor. So at Q point we can find GM as change in ID for the change in VGS. And similarly from the output characteristics, when you look at the output characteristics, I can find slope at any point on the output characteristics where VGS is constant, right? So slope will be change in VDS for change in ID, or usually we write slope as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that will be nothing but change in ID upon change in VDS. So this will be 1 upon the resistance, or I can say the resistance is change in VDS upon change in ID. So this is the output resistance, so it is called as RO, or some books you can find it is written as RD. In Boyle State they are writing it as RD, and in Niemann they are writing it as RO. And this is found at a constant value of VGS. So we write the formula for RD in this format. So we have got two quantities, one is GM and one is RO or RD for the AC equivalent circuit. Now this relation for GM can be found mathematically also using the Shockley's equation.